To inspect and replace the air filter on your Sportsman 570, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat, level surface. Ensure the transmission is in park and set the parking brake. Lift up on the rear of the seat and pull back to remove. Before continuing, clean the area around the airbox. Next, remove the 6 airbox cover clips and remove the cover. Inspect the airbox cover seal for any wear or damage and replace if necessary. Next, loosen the air filter hose clamp. Then, carefully maneuver the air filter out of the vehicle. Inspect the filter for any excessive debris or damage and replace if necessary. Before continuing, clean out the inside of the airbox. Next, reinstall the filter into the airbox, ensuring it is fully seated. Re-secure the hose clamp and torque to specification. Reinstall the airbox cover, ensuring the cover seal is fully seated. Then secure the 6 cover clips. Finally, install the seats by aligning the front retaining tabs and pushing down in the rear. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.